See that? Get that coating off. That way you can get a nice
So let people know, like, let them know something, you know. You gotta promote S1.
S1 built. Just heads up, we're actually doing car insurance now. So if you're looking to save 15 to 20% on your car insurance, just make sure you hashtag S1 built on your post, whether that be Geico, whether that be State Farm, whether that be whatever you're doing.
Yep, we got the best four-wheel grip in insurance.
Discount. Make sure you tell them it's all-wheel drive. It handles better than front wheel or rear wheel drive. So therefore, save a little money on your insurance. So 15% with S1 built.
All right, guys, you heard it there. So we guarantee you insurance on our cars that if you're front wheel drive and you go all wheel drive, you'll start gripping.
Safety.
You'll start gripping.
Oh, this is Hobby's car.
Yeah.
Yeah, save 10%.
All right, guys. So this is Javi's car. He's all motor, nice car, new setup. He's gonna be doing around I run 300.
I mean, I can't buy anything, okay? I have to pay for your shit. Put that on camera.
Yeah, sometimes our Uncle Son help us out, because sometimes, he has to pay for it. He said it.
Hey guys, here we are on Hobby's car today. We're cutting out the back end. We're gonna put the diff mount up. We're gonna mount everything, weld everything in. Him over there, old Jit boy.
Oh, Jit
boy. So this is already in. He got his tranny in. He's got his T-bracket in. We already sent over the measurements for the dry shaft. So they're building that.
Where's he going with it? 60, 30? 30 probably, because he's running CRV for now, right?
30. Okay. It's going to be an all-motor build. He's going to make probably about 300 horsepower with it.
Okay, cool.
And that's that.
All right,
bada bing, bada boom. Come back and check me later.
So, okay, as you guys can see, the cutout. Sometimes people can cut this out and just put the diff mount up, and it will still hold. But usually, we prefer you guys brace it up, as you guys saw Jay was doing. He was shaving it down so that he can box it in and weld it. So it's more more state of mind in your head.
And Hobby already has his gas tank in there and plumbed and everything. So we're not going to do a truck cover plate. I banged it up. I might have to do a little more, but I'll fine tune that after I get the diff mount up.
All right, cool.
And I'll have TK come back and show you.
In 2 tubes.
3D. In 3D.
Well, yeah, guys, let's walk around this real quick. Pretty clean. Booyah. I know you guys seen this already, but yeah, Javi was a good friend. S1 built for years also, and this car's a killer front wheel drive car on the street, on the track. So we're gonna just make it all wheel drive now, see what it does, and then we're gonna go from there. Jay should be done today. He started last night, really, just real quick, but yeah. Stay tuned. We're gonna be running a CRV diff with clutch block, all S1 products. Here we go.
Horses, chariots again. Put the ring back on her finger, marry it again.
Moving swift. What's up, guys? What do you guys think about the brake magic right here? This usually is tucked, when you tuck it, but we want to show the artistry of Johnny that does our brake tuck, and he does a lot of our cars here. We're going to show you some of that stuff. And today, boss lady herself right there, turn around, my
Hey.
She's also an excellent cook. She's cooking us up today with some.
Yeah, when the weather's this bad and it's overcasted, and with Florida you just never know, so it's just easier to cook here, eat here, and brings us closer together on these type of days.
Yep, like a family. Like she looks like she needs a hug. Want me to hug her on camera? I'm gonna give her a hug right now. I'm joking. All right, guys. So this is our Bumblebee that is going supercharged, and this is the K-swap right-hand drive Mugen 4th gen Prelude all-wheel drive, and Johnny touched on this also. Check the top out. All the way down there. You guys can't hardly see it, but so what we're saying is anybody's gonna be in the what zone, tri-state area?
Yes, it's gonna be in the tri-state, New York, New Jersey, and whatever.
In a few weeks.
Yeah, in a few weeks. So hit them up. So I know you got a couple car lines up. So this is you guys' opportunity.
Yeah. And he does fantastic work, guys. As you guys see on the yellow Bumblebee, we did this one, and also.
So he also traveled too. So you know, traveled to do the brake tucks and all that. So hey.
Yep, can't beat that, guys. He will come to you. He travels, you know, overseas, locally, internationally. Just gonna show you one more time over here also on this car. This is Jay's car, EM1. Some other artistic movements right here, looking real nice. And the tucks that he does is real good also. He does the acne also. I'll show you guys that another time when the rain is not falling, but yeah, hit him up. He's gonna be in the tri-state area. That's Johnny, Brake Tuck Johnny, we call him. He's from Land O'Lakes, East Side Brooklyn. What?
Yeah, East Side Brooklyn.
East Side Brooklyn. Stand up. All right, guys. I'm gonna show you some more on the EG hatch. That should be done today. Should be completely done today. So the braces in. You can put these two braces in, or you can put, you know, 1, 2, and another brace up here. But this should be suffice to everything. And you said the drive shaft coming today?
Yeah, they're making it now as we speak.
All right, cool. So this car would probably be done more than likely today, right? Like.
Depends how fast we get the drive shaft.
Yeah.
Either today or tomorrow.
All right. And he was running everything already front wheel drive, guys. So see, if you want to run all our stuff, you can. You know.
As a front wheel drive.
As a front wheel drive car, but you got to make sure you put the axle stubby in there to hold bearings together.
Check it out, guys. What do you think, man? Spoiler for the Active.
Looks pretty sick.
Thank you, man.
What do you guys think about that? ITB's case up acne, getting that super win. There you have it, guys. Upper bar is up. This transmission is done, sealed up with a block plate, and we took the stubbies out. And he's been riding around for a while, right, Stone? With his everything, yeah, with his stubbies. He was riding out with these guys, or stubbies. So that's why you can always do it, guys. You can put all our stuff on, everything on. You know, even have the all draft transmission. You can still drive around. And when you're ready, you take the stubbies out. You put your diff mount out, get your axles, and that's it. Another quick diff mount install for the morning, and that's it. And don't forget, Johnny is going to be in the tri-state area July 24th to the 29th. July 24th to 29th. So hit him up for that brake tuck, all the brake magic. All right, before we go, much respect to Slimeball Built for sending us some t-shirts. Give them a follow. Give thanks for the gear, man. Love it. Getting that drive shaft up.
Yeah, we got this thing up, so so you can see what we're doing here. We're putting the tabs on. We're gonna put these tabs on, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld a nut. We're gonna weld this onto the chassis.
Yep.
And then we're gonna put a nut onto here so we can bolt it up.
Okay.
So the first thing when you do this is a slip right here. Some people try to put when they do the drive shaft, they try to put it up here first.
Yeah.
Always go from the front, because this thing slides in and out.
Front first, yeah.
So yeah, do the front, put it on, then go to the back here if it needs to come back. Because this slip's supposed to be in the middle. This is where you want it, you know. And this thing has it travels.
It travels, yeah.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be right
So
in the middle.
once you get that on here, and then we actually mount everything up, hold it up here, then we kind of to see how straight it is. Trying to get it straight as we could, you know. You can have a slight angle. It's not.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. Yeah.
Yeah. So now once we get that, that's what we're doing right now. Yeah. So looks like right about there.
Remember, guys, no riv nuts at all. Do not use riv nuts.
Oh yeah, don't use riv nut on these things. These things are too thin. Once you do that, it might, you know, a week or so, but when you start making power and all that, it will rip this whole thing apart.
Oh, this thing is just constantly moving and like
it's
pulling.
dangerous, very, very dangerous. Again, no riv nuts on this.
No riv nuts, guys.
Yeah.
Just get a piece of metal. As someone says, you know, we're gonna bore it, tap a nut in there, weld it on, drill, and then just screw it in. You know,
Screw it in. Yep.
simple.
That's the best way to do it.
So we're gonna put this up for him, and then you know, probably take it back down, spray it up nice, and that's it. That's a wrap. Jay, all in a day. All in a day.
Half day.
Eastside Brooklyn.
Just kidding. A full day.
All right, check it out, guys. This is what we're talking about. Well, this was already banged up.
This was way
it was way banged up, but we still made it work. What we said, we'll put the little piece on it, that nut got welded in there, bore a hole, and Jay's gonna spray it up so it doesn't rust right now. Check it out. And that's how you do it. Keep that mug solid as a rock.
Solid as a rock.
Get that tight lock. That lock tight.
Tight lock, lock tight.
Lock tight, tight lock.
Against me shall prosper. A closet cleaning, not my locker. Talk to me nice, not proper. I'm looking for the smoke like a roster. I'll call on them if I need a partner. Even though what he did was kinda. It's bigger than that, so let's not remind them. We together, get the chopper. Dark nights I can't sleep, so I cry or I close my eyes. I never ask God why. I just go.
Check it out, guys. This is his setup right here. Everything is all hooked up now. We're gonna go ahead and give us a quick start. This is for you, Javi. This is for you, Javi.